here we are finally testing out the new drone, which we're going to be using for taking footage of all sorts of tents and events, hopefully eventually, you know, from a safe distance. And, you know, just to get some really good, unique footage of the events and of the equipment, of the tents that we are setting up. So this drone does require a pilot license, like a drone pilot license. But actually, once you figure it out, it's fairly simple. And, you know, even it's kind of like an Xbox controller. Even my son can use it.
If I say stop,
That's
you
kind
just
of
get stop moving things, okay? In case you're doing something crazy.
I see you.
And we've been really busy with tents lately, so I think this is the perfect time now to bring this drone and start getting some tent footage. We're doing a lot of 20x40s for some reason. And yeah, we like them. They're easy to set up. It's not too crazy. Pole tents are sometimes like, it just takes more people. It's a bit more tedious. So it's nice to do just easy frame tents. Yeah, here's another 20x40. Again, 20x40 just seems to be such a popular size this May 2022. Here's Jordan putting up some walls. Make sure those walls are clean. That's really going to help the tent look amazing. This is Oz's first time after the long off season actually staking, so it probably wasn't the cleanest staking job. The lights also look fantastic, and for some reason here they look good, but in real life they look, I don't know, they just look great, especially in the evening time.
Huh? Yeah. It might be in the truck.
And as a bonus, our garlic is coming out. And so that's kind of nice to know, because yeah, you don't know that you know, you planted properly, if the soil was good, if there's any issues, bugs or maybe too much water or something, or too harsh of a winter. So now it's coming out and it looks great, and so this is kind of a nice bonus here, and we're excited for the 2022 garlic season. Yeah, some of them blew over there, I guess. Blew over a little bit, the actual landscaping fabric, but